Hi everyone, today I'm going to share my family's all-time favorite dessert cookie dough recipe. So let's start off with simple ingredients. 1/4 cup melted butter, 1/4 cup brown sugar, 1/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of self-raising flour, vanilla essence and 1 egg. So first of all, I'm going to pour all the butter in the bowl and I'm going to add the brown sugar and granulated sugar, which I took 1/4 cup of each. I'm going to mix it then. All these ingredients are readily available in everybody's pantry. I'm using self-raising flour cause I ran out of plain flour. But if you're using plain flour, then you add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in there as well. Now I'm going to crack an egg and whisk it well. We often go out for desserts and this one portion is about 8 to 9 pounds. I made it at home and it tastes exactly the same. In fact, it tasted better and the cost, it's actually nothing. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of salt and the plain flour or self-raising flour, whatever you're using, that I'm going to sift it now. If you're using plain flour, then don't forget to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder in there as I told earlier. Now I'm going to whisk it well. It should look like this. Now it's time to add chocolate chips or chocolate chunks. I had some chocolate already, so I've cut it into small pieces. We'll put some in the mixture and keep a bit on the side to sprinkle it on top. This quantity of mixture makes 4 of these trays. We will empty this mixture in equal amount in all 4 trays and sprinkle some chocolate chunks on top as well. We have to preheat our oven at 160 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes and then we need to put these trays in for about 15 to 20 minutes. The cookie dough is now done. You can choose the choice of your toppings. I'm making 2 trays with biscoff flavor and 2 trays with chocolate flavor. You can use white chocolate as well. You can sprinkle some biscoff biscuits, Ferrero, flakes or just simply Nutella and serve it with vanilla ice cream. I had to make another batch because this one just vanished. It's better to melt the Nutella first so it drizzles properly. I didn't melt the Nutella so it's in chunks, but biscoff is drizzling properly. Just put in the microwave for a couple of seconds. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.